Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Hey YouTube, Mr. Sultan Pro 17 here with the tutorial on how to change your start button. So yeah, you're gonna open up your browser. I'm going Google or whatever search engine you use. You're gonna type in resource hack. Then you're gonna go to this one right here, and then it should open up a site with an axe and it says Resource Hacker homepage. And scroll down. You're gonna go to where it says download sites for version 3.40. They don't have a US version, so click the European version. Alright, so when you click on it, you're gonna should come up like that. You're gonna save it to your desktop, and then it should come up like this. I think it comes up as a RAR file, and you're gonna have to extract it. The way you do that is you're gonna right click it and just click extract here, and then a file just comes up like that, and then it should look like this actually. And then you're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna go on file, click open. You're going to just click on, click explorer.exe, and then just click open. And you're gonna go towards this string table right there, 37. Double click, and then it says start. And you can change it to anything you want. Just delete that and type in, I don't know, Celtics. And then you're gonna click compile script. You're gonna click file save as, which you should save it as is explorer4.exe. Alright, save it as that. You're gonna click save. Do not click save as, right? Now when you save it, you're gonna press X. It's not gonna come out like that right away. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to run. You're gonna type in regedit, REGEDIT. Okay. And then you're gonna click on H key local machine and click the plus sign right there. Then you're gonna go to software. You're going to go to Microsoft right there. Then you should look for what is it? Alright, so you're gonna click on Windows NT right there. You're gonna look for current version, and then once you do that, you're gonna go down to Windows Logon. Don't click on the pause there, just click on it once. And then look for shell, and it should be right here. Double click it and type in, remember the file you saved on Resource Hacker, type in explorer4.exe and then you click OK. And then when you restart your computer, it should come up as what you typed it. So yeah, that is how you change the start button text. Yeah. Hope it helped. Subscribe, comment, rate. See ya. Peace.